Good afternoon and welcome to Phil Weaver Automotive, based here in Mere Brow, in between Preston and Southport. And this morning we are delighted to offer this stunning little pocket rocket. It's the Audi A1, it's the 1.4 TFSI petrol, it's the S-Line derivative, Sportback being the 5 doors, and it has the Tronic gearbox. A fantastic little car, a delight to drive, and sat here ready and waiting for its new owner. The Audi A1 is finished in Mythos Black, which is the metallic, and has the metallic Floret silver contrast roofline. So really does set itself apart from other vehicles within the market that are just the one colour. Very, very attractive indeed. The car has 2 previous keepers, full Audi service history, 3 Audi services. When the cars come into Phil Weaver Automotive, our first port of call with each vehicle is to take the car down the road to our local independent garage who look after us, and they look after us for our MOTs, servicing, repairs and PDI. The all-important PDI is a 93-point check, so all areas of the car is covered, and we also provide you on collection or delivery a copy of the PDI written report. Very, very important. We believe with doing all these checks, we're putting the right car back out into the marketplace for the next customer. Phil Weaver has been in the industry for over 35 years, so a lot of experience and knowledge. Check out our reviews, over 250 5-star reviews through Autotrader, Facebook and Google, which we are delighted when our customers provide us with a review. Now, just going to take you around this car. We've got the Xenon Plus headlights with the daytime LED daytime running lights. Really do sort of set the car off. Now this car is well equipped with a lot of the factory options. So just going around the car, we also have the 17-inch 10-spoke design alloys. Now these are equipped with the Continental tyres all round, the previous customer's choice. Car has the Audi music interface, which I'll show you shortly. The Xenon Plus headlights, which I've just mentioned. Electronic climate control, high beam assist, the MMI Navigation Plus, Audi parking system rear with the rear sensors. Also Bluetooth interface, which also allows you to stream your music, so through your phone. Cruise control, so lots and lots of key features. Just going to work round to the passenger side. This has the leather and cloth, the sprint cloth interior with the S-Line embossed in the seating. We've also got the gloss sleeves around the air vents, the little screen that pops up and will in actual fact go down. The S-Line logo on the kick plates. lovely interior with the dark headlining as well. Take you into the boot. We have no spare. It's the tyre mobility kit, as you can see there, and also in the bottom left hand corner the important locking wheel nut key with the tools, the fluid for the tyre, for the tyre compressor, the jack and the towing guy, nicely put away in the bottom. A lovely finish. Again, we have the electric windows all round and the power heated door mirrors. Height adjustment on passenger and driving seat. The auto lights. 2 keys, importantly. Just jump inside. So let's just have a look. You have the DIS with all the key features. Just get back, there we go. So just after the mileage, actually, bear with me a second, there we go. Eventually got it. 29,717 miles as we speak. We have the screen, so with the Audi multimedia, everything that you do down here will then appear on the screen. So that gives you the adjusting the bass, treble, balance and fade for your music. We have the radio, which also has the DAB digital radio, FM and medium wave. We have the Audi Drive Select, which allows you to adjust the settings of the vehicle for an efficiency mode, auto and dynamic mode, which also displays on the DIS in front of you. There we go. And car system, so vehicle settings, driver assist and service checks. We also have tyre pressure monitor, servicing intervals, so the next is 8.5, well, call it 8,600 miles for the next oil change, or 9,000 miles or just over 3 months for the next inspection. Telephone, navigation, that's us there where the flag is. So just zooming in to Mia Brow. There we are. And then just zooming out to give you an overview. So we have the multifunction steering wheel. Cancel.
Cancel.
So that's the voice control. The flappy paddles that I mentioned for up and down the gearbox. We have the cruise control, just brings that into focus. There we go. The S Tronic gearbox. You can also select as you come down into drive. You can also, to give a bit of a manual feel, go over to the left hand side and go up and down the gearbox, providing you a manual feel. Electronic climate control, the heated screen, driver select again, operating it on the dash also, traction control. But really is a beautifully finished car. We have the auto dimming rear view mirror, the LED light, interior light pack. We have the Audi music interface, so you can plug in your phone. It also provides a charging facility, and you can get different cables for different phones. Please refer to our website for further information. We do have our finance facility through Motonovo Finance. We have the extended warranties through WarrantyWise. Look at the additional details and photographs, up to 100 photographs on our website, and please give us sort of 24 hours notice if you wish to come and view the vehicle. Always call us prior to coming down. We do operate an appointment basis, and with now being a COVID-19 safety conscious business, we bearing in mind social distancing, so an appointment is absolutely ideal, as this will provide you with a viewing just with myself and yourselves. We can organise a test drive, which is currently unaccompanied, so please bring your driving licence with you. We have a form to complete for that, but anything further, please check us out on the website, social media platforms as well, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much now.